How's it going, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. If you're familiar with us, you know that we get a lot of Corvettes. We've had tons of them in the last close to 50 years that we've been in business. Well, let me tell you, this is by far one of the nicest and well built that we've had. This is a 2002 C5 Z06, and as you can hear, it definitely has some upgrades. The car has 44,000 miles on it. As you can see, it has the BC forged wheels on it. Nice set of Michelin tires all the way around it. Beautiful paint job all over. New window trim along the door here. And the L5 widened fenders to fit these massive 345 wide Michelins on the back of it. Super slick car, sounds amazing, runs even better. A smooth, fun drive. All LED lights. So I want to show you the exterior of this thing first, just how slick it is. The front bumper cover, 44,000 miles on this car, and only has a few blemishes on it. That one there, one on the license plate cover. And then I just noticed this one here a few minutes ago. But that's it. I mean, there are no apologies about this car, the paint wise, as far as you can see there. Now, as far as your interior, the door panels are in perfect condition. This material is not popping out here. All of these are in perfect shape. It does have the heads-up display that is working properly. Nice set of WeatherTech mats in it, but it also has the Lloyd set in the back. You have the one wear mark on the bolster here, just from getting in and out of it. Almost impossible to not hit that mark, but it's not too bad for being a 21-year-old car. And then the nice package tray added in the back with the divider. Now, I usually don't like steering wheel covers, but this one's comfortable, so I decided to leave it on. Steering wheel is in great shape underneath of it. 44,124 on it currently. And see if we can view the heads up. Yeah, you can see a little bit right there. But the lights on the HVAC work properly, the radio, HVAC, everything works as it should. And owner's manual still in the box. We'll get the hood and the trunk popped. I know you're ready to see what's under the hood there, so we're not going to be much longer. There's your controller for the LED lights, same thing they put on cop cars. Brand new set of Lloyd mats. And then the tire inflator kit, which is pretty much trash in my opinion. Oh, and there is one crack on the heads-up bezel. Let's see. All right, so we got your American Racing headers on it. The Halltec intake. I mean, just as clean underneath of here. We've posted pictures of the underside of it on our website, so check them out too, holidaymotors.com. And you can see the Mighty Mouse catch can there. It does have the trick flow cylinder heads. It has a BTR Stage 3 cam, BTR 660 lift with dual springs, BTR Trunion upgrade, Hardened push rods, IWIS timing chain, Melling high pressure oil pump, ARP cam, crank, and head bolts. And it also has the LS7 lifters and lifter trays. But beautiful, beautiful car. Great example. Running 3-inch pipe all the way back into the stock titanium mufflers. And you can see it sounds great. Not too radical. This is a very, very nice street car. Very reliably built. 100% ready to go. So give us a call, check it out. Let's see what we can do to put you in one of the most beautiful Z06s available today. 757-487-7333 in person, Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right there since 1974. We appreciate you watching as always and look forward to hearing from you.